So, as you can see here, I have some thermocol in my room, and it is of no use to me. It is just lying around there doing nothing, like a lazy child, like me, I think. So, what I'm going to do is dissolve it in acetone. Okay, so what this does is I think it kills all, not kills, okay, it dissolves the air in the thermocol, and thermocol is majority of air only in it. So what we are going to do is dissolve it, and then we are going to, like, the remaining product that will be left after the experiment, we will do some experiments with it. So let's start. So what we have to do, it's not a process, it's very easy. So we just have to pour some acetone and then start dissolving the thermocol. But we have to be careful as acetone vaporizes very quickly. So let's start, I guess. So I'll start with smaller pieces, then I'll go with the bigger ones. In 1 minute, I'll place my mic. Yeah. So I'm going to pour just a little bit. Okay, it was not a little bit, and I'm going to just start dissolving because it has, most of it has already vaporized. So as you can see how easily it is dissolving. It's like disappearing in the acetone, and nothing more is mixed, only acetone. This is also used in your nail polish removers. Let's see, we'll take some bigger pieces. Yeah, I have some syringes, so yeah. So I think let's start with that. I'm going to inject the acetone like a medic student, but I'm not. It's very cold actually. Yeah, let's pour it. Whoa, see, it's like a thermocol killing machine. Uh, this gooey substances, the, I think, the remaining thing that we will experiment with. I'll take more. 1 second. I'll give you a zoom in. As you can see, yeah, this is the result of the acetone dissolving the thermocol. And now I'll just dissolve it quickly and make the ball. Probably this part will be fast forward. Guys, today we are going to kill this meme once and for all. Let's start. I'm fed up with this meme. So old and it doesn't make sense anymore. So let's kill it in a chemical way, shall we? Oh, his PP is also dissolved. Lol. That's sad actually. PP is very important, for life, for future. This is the substance that I got after dissolving it, and it's a very slime like thing, and it is very satisfying also.
That's what she
So,
said.
so I think now it can burn because acetone is highly flammable, as we can see here. Yeah, as we can see here also. So let's try and make a fireball. So this is our ball, and we just have to put it on fire. This is not my ball, obviously, but we have to put it on fire. So let's burn it. Now let's light it on. Yeah, it was very flammable. It is burning very nicely, actually. One second, I'll bring a thing to stop the fire. It is burning too violently. I'll have to stop it. Yeah, that's sad. But it was burning too well. Wow. Yeah. One second, let me bring the plate. Yeah, see, it's like and it's not that hot. It's not that hot. It is black from outside, but inside it is still that gooey thing. See, from outside it is black and inside it is gooey. So from like layer to layer it was burning. Let's burn it one more time. The second one was more flammable than the previous one.